1. 1976 Ford F250, $6,500, Newburgh, Oregon. This 1976 Ford F250 is a solid classic workhorse with an original paint job in striking orange. Under the hood, it's powered by a 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives with functioning lights, though it does have an exhaust leak. The straight body and well-preserved exterior make it a great candidate for restoration or continued use as a dependable vintage pickup. Two, 1979 Ford Ranchero, $10,000, Artesia, New Mexico. A rare classic, this 1979 Ford Ranchero combines muscle car styling with truck utility. It features a 302 V8 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission and sits on stylish American racing wheels with new tires. The car has received notable upgrades, including a new Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum intake, aluminum radiator, and water pump. Both air conditioning and heat work, and a new Bluetooth stereo system with upgraded speakers has been installed. The exterior looks sharp, but the muffler requires replacement. Number 3. 1978 Ford F350 Custom, $3,500, Sacramento, California. A heavy-duty classic, this 1978 Ford F350 Custom is a dually truck built for power and durability. Equipped with a manual transmission, it is ideal for enthusiasts looking for a reliable workhorse or restoration project. The 8-cylinder engine has an odometer reading of 150,000 miles, and the white exterior adds to its classic utility truck appearance. 4. 1965 Chevrolet half-ton short bed, $3,900, Rockdale, Texas. A true vintage classic, this 1965 Chevrolet half-ton short bed has a 327 V8 engine and a manual transmission, though it hasn't run in years. It was recently restored as a photo prop, featuring new tires and a brand new wooden bed. While the body has some dings and rust, it remains an eye-catching piece that could serve as a display vehicle for businesses or events. The truck does not have a title, so a bonded title will be required for road use. Number 5. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $7,200, Riverside, California. A classic C10 short bed pickup, this 1972 Chevrolet C10 Stepside started as a long bed but has been modified with an original short bed. It runs on a 350 V8 engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. This project truck features a rear leaf spring flip kit, 2-inch drop spindles, and 2-inch drop springs, giving it a lowered stance. It requires some work to be a daily driver, but holds great potential for restoration. 6. 1979 Ford F250 Super Cab 4x4, $9,500, Kalispell, Montana. This 1979 Ford F250 Super Cab 4x4 is in excellent mechanical condition with a 400 V8 engine, a C6 automatic transmission, and a new Dana 44 front axle. It runs and drives well, with factory air conditioning, though there is some rust. The orange exterior and rugged 4x4 capability make this a desirable option for off-road enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet pickup truck, $5,000, West Hollywood, California. A classic long bed work truck, this 1977 Chevrolet pickup retains its numbers-matching 350 V8 engine, which was rebuilt in 2016. It runs well but needs TLC, including new tires and minor repairs to the blinkers, hood, and interior. The truck is painted matte black and has some rust spots. While the air conditioning system is present, the compressor was removed. This truck has potential for either restoration or use as a reliable daily work truck. Number 8. 1965 Ford F100 truck, $6,600, Sunland, California. This 1965 Ford F100 has been owned by the same individual for 30 years. It's equipped with a 1972 390 V8 engine, a 3-speed manual transmission, and a long bed. The truck has a rebuilt transmission, newer front suspension, and a new clutch. While it runs well, it needs wiring repairs behind the dashboard, and the gauges are disconnected. The speedometer works, and all exterior lights function properly. It comes with a clean title and recently renewed registration, making it a great option for classic truck enthusiasts. Nine. 1964 GMC Fleetside Truck 250 3-speed, $7,700, Pittsburgh, Texas. This 1964 GMC Fleetside truck is a classic farm truck with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Though it has some rust, it runs and drives. The brakes function, though one locks up, and the front end needs alignment before extensive driving. Several components, including the speedometer, emergency brake, and heater, are non-functional, but the radio, speakers, and lights work. It has great potential for restoration or continued use as a utility vehicle. Ten. 1965 Ford F350 flatbed truck, $8,500, Bay Area, California. This 1965 Ford F350 flatbed truck features a 1/4-inch steel plate bed and a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear. The truck is in great mechanical shape, with new brakes, new 12-ply tires, and clean engine oil. While the body needs paint and rust repair, everything functions properly. It has no leaks and doesn't require smog testing due to its age. This is a perfect work truck or a solid restoration project. (11) 1957 International A160 flatbed truck, $4,900, Rockdale, Texas. This 1957 International A160 flatbed truck is a unique classic with a brand new 16-foot wooden flatbed. It has been clear-coated for a weathered patina look, making it an excellent display vehicle for businesses or event spaces. However, it does not have an engine or transmission, and some tires do not hold air. The truck does not come with a title, but it remains a stunning vintage piece for creative use. Number 12. 1989 Ford Ranger, non-running, $900, Kyle Canyon, Nevada. A compact classic pickup, this 1989 Ford Ranger was running when parked 3 years ago. It has a 6-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. It will require towing as it is currently not running well. This is a great project vehicle for those looking to revive a late 80s Ford Ranger. Third. 13. Nest 1953 GMC 1.5-ton flatbed, $4,900, Rockdale, Texas. This 1953 GMC 1.5-ton flatbed has been transformed into a display vehicle, featuring a newly built 14-foot wooden bed with a metal frame. Painted in 3 coats of blue, this truck is ideal for business signage, outdoor decoration, or a parade vehicle. The engine and transmission are present but haven't run in years. The truck does not have a title, though a bonded title can be obtained.